Good morning, class.
Good morning, madam.
How are you all doing?
We are fine.
Class captain,
Yes, madam.
what do you have?
Please, we have free period.
Free period. Instead of you to take your notebooks and revise, you are here making unnecessary noise. Good. I want you to do something for me.
Okay, please.
I want you to get fresh exercise book. In fact, fresh one. And write, I will not make noise in class again. Make sure you write everything in full. After that, submit it to my office. Okay?
Okay, please.
If you like, don't write. Continue making noise.
Thank you.
I told you guys to keep quiet. You didn't listen to me. Now see what you've caused. Madam, keep quiet. Oh. Keep quiet. Don't make us angry. Keep quiet over there.
Me, I can't write this though. I can't.
Jennifer, you are not scared of Madam Rita.
Do I look like I care?
She'll beat you.
Where is my bag? I'm going home. You can write it.